Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Manikeny again. If you are new here, you're very welcome. If you're already part of the family though, I appreciate. So today I'm going to be slaying my friend's face. Watch me transform her from this basic, beautiful, simple mama to this slay badass boss in a few minutes. Do not forget to subscribe though. Let's start. It's Manikeny. So I'm going to start with the NYX Pore Filler Primer. My friend's face is very smooth, so we don't need any color correction or anything like that. There's this damp thing and we're going to use NARS Sheer Glow. Yeah. Two pumps should do. So we apply the foundation all over. I dab it in, like tap it in, and I don't pull. Smooth skin, huh? Why are you trying to prove? What are you trying to prove? So what was that smooth skin? How we do now? You put me like that. Do not mind that she's holding a phone. I was hosting a Snapchat page, the Cameroon YouTuber Snapchat page. So now we're going with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Conceal the under eye, you know, as per usual. The bridge of the nose, the chin, the forehead a little bit. Mom, it's not pen smoke.
Is what?
It's for the skin. This one is for contouring.
To contour what?
We're condoning the nose and the cheeks. Her mom is so funny. So yeah, I started doing the eyebrow. You know, draw it in with a pencil from Essence. Now I put some concealer to clean up the eyebrow. After letting my concealer sit for a while, I now blend it with a damn booty blender. Just tap it in. Do not pull because it's going to separate the concealer and we don't want that. Like I said in other videos, I let it sit so you can blend better. Setting powder. Yeah. Let's set it with this banana powder. I tap the powder in. I don't bake because I've had the experience that it makes it white, and we don't want that. Now we go and do the eyes. I'll use this NYX eye base on her eyelid so that the eyeshadow color can pop. You know, I like popping. We're going to set that with the banana powder from Benai. Going in with the juvia'splace Nubian 2 palette, my favorite. I will start with this orange color as my transition color. I love it. We're going to blend that in. Now I'm going with this brown color called Keny from the same palette to darken the color, make it a little bit rich and deeper. Now going back in with the eyeshadow base, applying it on the lower part of the eyelid so as to put another color, you know. So I'm going in with this orange color to intensify the color I put before. Now I have this MAC yellow popping shadow, and I'm going to put it on the lower part of the lid. You know, it's spring, we want to look colorful. Using this peach color shimmery eyeshadow from the Saharan palette, I apply to the inner tear duct to make the eye, you know, pop a little more. Eyeliner from Miss Lane. So I'm going to use this black eyeliner to give the eye some beautiful wings. We're going to put some mascara before applying the lashes. I use 2 different types from the drugstore. And my friend, she is scared of her eyes. It was such a struggle to put mascara or eyeliner on her. So I go with the orange color from the Nubian 2 palette and the brown color too under her eye. Smoke it out a little bit. Harrison lashes. Time for the lashes. Yes, yes, yes. So I'm going to apply the glue as per usual, you know. Put it down, you know. Slay it down. Yeah. So I'm going to put some blush on her cheeks. Let's give the face some color. Time for highlight. Trend it up. Natural glow. I'm going to use it as a highlight base. Then I'm going to use the Fenty Trophy Wipe. I love this product. I cannot use it a lot, but I just love it. So I'm going to put it on this girl. We gotta pop. Apply it in all the places, you know. Highlight the face, ridge of the nose, eyebrow. In fact, I can bathe in highlight. You all know me. Those that know me know me. So I'm going to line her lips with this pencil from PS. It's a purple pencil. Going to fill up the lip with that. I'm trying to go for an ombre look. So after filling this up, I'll go in with the Colourpop Kapow matte lipstick, liquid matte lipstick. Put it in the inner lip. And I asked her to smack her lips, like put them together, and she was just destroying my creation. Like, really? So now MAC Fix Prep and Prime, I'm going to bathe her in it. Yes. Chill, no. Hey, slay. Hey. Hey, she looks like a snack here. I can eat her. Thank you all so much for watching. Before you leave, here are some other videos of mine, you know, I keep you entertained. And do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
It's Manikeny.